Go. Go. Let's go.
Speed run!
We got 10 minutes.
You're the only one that has... Okay, 2 flashlights. Okay.
Oh no,
Follow
it's
the
this
lights.
one.
Follow
The one
the
that
lights.
you
Follow
can
the lights.
see.
Oh, this is bad.
Snowy.
Beware of the dogs.
It's kind of pretty.
Oh, so we make it. We made it. We made it.
Is the inside the same?
No, I think it's different.
Okay.
Hey, welcome.
It's a mansion.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Oh, I hate it.
Piano.
Oh, I hate it. Oh, I hate it so much.
This one
I
is
hate it.
fun. Nothing
Oh, I
here.
hate it.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Can we stick to traveling in groups, please?
Yeah, let's go together.
This is stirring up some old PTSD trauma.
There's nothing. This one? This way?
Okay.
Nothing too. This is broken. Oh, there is brush here. Okay.
Can you smack stuff with the brush?
Nope. I hope I can do that, but well.
Imagine being smacked by a brush.
I want
Death
to meet
by
the
brush.
coil head. Where is the coil head?
Why do you
is he
want?
here?
I got a key.
Hey.
Oh, kitchen.
Ooh,
Found a
fireplace.
kitchen.
Well, this is kind of nice.
Oh, who has a key?
I do.
There's a locked door.
Someone vacuuming?
Oh!
Nice.
We have the hair dryer and the hairbrush. We can style
Yeah, I
our
have the
hair.
hairbrush and hair dryer.
We're gonna be the best dressed.
I'm going to open a saloon. How that people pronounce saloon?
Salon?
Salon? Oh, that's how we pronounce that word? Okay,
Saloon
nice.
is
Now I
a
know.
different thing.
Salon?
Saloon is also something.
Is
Yeah,
it?
Saloon is like a Wild West
Western,
bar.
Salon?
Oh, painting!
Salon? Balloon?
Whoa!
Okay, I'm leaving this company for real.
Wow.
I've never seen this before.
Yeah. It's like a fake window.
Oh, what's that?
Ooh.
Magic
There's a lot of stuff
7
here.
ball.
Plastic fish?
Tragedy.
Fish here?
Uh-oh. You look great. Ah! Run!
Run! Run! Oh God, run!
Destroy them. Destroy them all.
Bana, please! Bana, please! No! Bana!
Kaela, where are you?
Run! Here! No! Jester!
Go, my minion. Destroy them. Destroy them all. She just wants a hug.
Kaela! Okay.
Jester! It's fine. It's still friendly until it starts playing music.
KosekiBijou!
Bana, please! Bana, please! I'm not chasing! I'm a rat! Oh, what's this? Oh!
Kaela!
I'm here.
I think hololive-Bijou might be dead.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. Let's try to find a way out. I don't know. The jester keeps following us.
I'm not looking behind me! It's so creepy.
Oh no! It started playing music. I don't know. We're trapped.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help!
Did she lose me?
What's that noise?
Oh no, is there a Jack in the Box
What's that
too?
noise? What's that noise?
It's over, babe. It's over.
It's so over.
We cannot. We cannot bang. It's time to say goodbye.
Okay.
It's time to say goodbye.
Okay.
Oh, fire exit! Baby, fire exit! Fire exit! Go, go, go!
She made it to the entrance.
Hello? Okay, bye!
Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go?
I don't know. I'm not familiar with this place, but maybe just go here.
Okay. Maybe it's the other way. It might be the other way.
There's gonna be a dock, okay? Maybe we need to like crouch or something, I don't know.
Okay.
There's gonna be a giant too.
Okay. 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 I never want to come back here. Oh my god. This is too scary. What the heck? Oh, we can go up. We can go up.
Try to find the lights, I don't know.
Okay. Where are you? I've lost you.
I cannot see anything.
Okay, okay, I see you. Okay.
Guys, where should we go, guys? I've never been here before.
Oh! Wait! Made it out! Me too!
Thanks, I guess.
Welcome. Welcome.
Everyone okay?
Wait, how is she alive?
What's going on?
Thanks.
Is he dead?
No, I'm not dead. I'm fine.
Oh no, Bijou's in trouble.
Oh no. Oh no. KosekiBijou, don't. KosekiBijou. Leave now.
Oh, wee! Spin! Wee!
Okay, just vote.
I don't know, I kind of want to see this play out.
Are they all dead? Kyle's dead. Okay!
Nice. Very nice.
I lived!
Oh my god.
Yay!
We were so close.
We were!
Yeah, we were so close.
My
but yeah.
goodness gracious me. I am traumatized. What the fuck?
That was so fun.
That was
It was so fun, right?
Fauna, you were terrifying.
I just wanted a hug.
Okay.